Hey guys, Star here. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can integrate BlueSky with HighLevel. If you're a social media manager and you're scheduling social media content for your clients, you're not going to want to miss this training. Let's go ahead and dive in. Okay, so you're going to want to be on the sub-account level on the left-hand side. We're going to go ahead and click on Marketing. Once you click on Marketing, then just scroll to the top and click on Social Planner. Once you've selected Social Planner, we're going to go ahead and click this plus sign social so that we can integrate BlueSky. You'll see Connect BlueSky. Go ahead and click on Connect BlueSky. Now you're going to want to go ahead and grab your username from BlueSky. When you head over to BlueSky, you're going to go ahead and copy your username without the @ sign. We're going to go ahead and copy that and then enter our username. Then you're going to go ahead and create a password for the application that's specific. The way to do that is to head on over to Settings. When you select Settings, you're going to go ahead and click on Privacy and Security. From here, you're going to have an option for app passwords. Let's select that. Once you select app passwords, you're going to click Add App Password and then go ahead and enter your password. Then you're going to select Allow Access to your direct messages and then hit Next. Now that you've created that password, we're just going to go ahead and copy that password and hit Done. Go ahead and head back over and copy and paste your password. Once you've done that, go ahead and select Connect. You'll now get a pop-up showing your BlueSky profile. Go ahead and add it. Now you'll see a green check mark indicating that it's connected. We can go ahead and close that. So now you can go ahead and schedule content. What you'll want to do is go ahead and click on the blue plus sign for a new post. You can create a new post. And now you'll select your social media account. You'll now see your BlueSky username. Go ahead and select it. Once that's selected, you can go ahead and type your content. I do want to point out that you can actually include hashtags. You can also use a URL. Now, any URL that you add to your post does have to include HTTP or HTTPS:/ and the domain. This will automatically count as 23 characters regardless of the length. This will deduct from the 300 character count. Now, they do discourage from using shortened links, so go ahead and put your actual link here in the post if you want to include it. You can also include up to 4 images, and you can also include up to 1 video. We're going to go ahead and select an image. And now you can see your post to the right and what it will look like over on BlueSky. So you can see here that our link is actually clickable, as well as our hashtags. Our image is below. You can save this post for later. You can actually post it in live time, or you can schedule this post, or send the post for approval, or schedule recurring posts. You can post up to 100 posts on BlueSky within a 24-hour period. So go ahead and integrate BlueSky today for all of your social media management needs. This will allow you to log into one central location in HighLevel and manage all of your clients' platforms, including BlueSky. Don't forget to check out the related help doc below and check out our Content Army playlist for more tutorials like this. I'll see you guys in the next one.